Hi, let me show you how to set reminders on iPhone. For that, we need to start with opening Reminders app. And first thing you should notice is those folders, those lists. So you can create reminders by categories such as today, all, flagged, scheduled, and check all of your reminders here. So to add new one, tap this button, New Reminder, then enter something. And now we need to tap on this info icon to set up this reminder. If you want to, you can add notes to these reminders, like a short description. And now you need to tap on date, choose the right date. You can also use the arrows to switch month. Then you can enable time if you need to and set specific time for that reminder. Also, you can create early reminder and choose to repeat this reminder, for example, daily or every year, every month, or even set custom option. If you don't want to set repeat, then select option never. If you want to, you can add tags to this reminder. And also you can add location. So here you can add location for that reminder. Now you can also add a flag and also set priority. For example, we can set medium priority. Now choose where it will be placed. Create subtasks if needed. For example, you can add subtask reminder to this one and even add an image. Now to create a reminder, tap done, and this is how it will look. If you completed it, you just need to tap on the circle and it will be gone. Now you can also write down something and set date and time by tapping this icon right here, which is really cute. And basically set it like we did before. Now, as you can see, it appears not only in all folder, but as well as in scheduled, because we set a schedule for this reminder. And also we can find here recently deleted reminders, which we can recover. Now, if you want to, you can add your personal list. For example, I can name it as personal. Now we can also change list type. If you want to, you can add groceries here or create smart list in which you can add some filters, this list of filters. And also you can change icon. For example, let's set this pink one and change icon for this personal stuff. Let's set this one. And let's tap done to create the list. So it will appear right here in my lists. And now you can create your own lists and reminders in it. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.